Alright, we're off on another adventure. Actually, it's a project. Heading to, sorry about the shaking. Heading to Lowe's to get some wood. We're building a sliding barn door. Alright, Black Magic. Yeah, you dusted pretty good that time. So we're building a sliding barn door for our utility room. The utility room had, crank the van up so it's warming up. The utility room had a big giant door that opened up inside the utility room, and it literally just took up like, a quarter of the utility room. So we pulled that door off, and now we're going to do a sliding barn door on the inside the hallway. So it's literally gonna just open the whole thing up and transform the utility room. We already remodeled the utility room, put new flooring, paint, totally trimmed it out, fixed it up. The utility room was a mess. It was like the last room that we had to remodel. So we're going to just make it out of plywood. We're gonna get some plywood and some 1x4 and some 1x6s and sandwich it all together and do the cross pattern. So we'll let you know when we get back with the wood and start chopping. Project for the day. Alright, so we decided on 81 inches for the door.
Right?
Yep. 81.
We measured on here. Pretty good. Pretty. The light was on.
Nothing.
Is there a safety on it?
Safety's on. Oh, this thing is dead. Dead.
Maybe that's not strong enough. We're in the socket though.
No. Did that one. It's very weak.
Okay, we'll bring it down here then. Put it down here. Pretty good.
Yeah. What happened?
I think it's just a bug got on me, that's all. Quiet. Okay.
Alright, so we got the door up here. We're measuring the holes for the hangers. So I need a wrench to hold that back. So we're like 1/4 of an inch too tall with our door. So we're gonna rip a little piece off the top, and we'll be golden. This thing weighs a ton. We built this header, and you want to make sure that it's absolutely into studs. So we marked all the studs and screwed it down into the studs, and then we marked it so it would line up with the studs on the rack too. So it's in here in the board and in the studs. So it's like you can hang off of this. So, of course, the stem. This barn door weighs about as much as I do. Alright, so we're gonna rip a little piece off of here because we got the door too big. Can you give me some stuff? Thank you. Thank you. I need a thing. Alright, so it goes like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got the barn door up and working. Slides really easy. I mean, it actually slides way too easy. It's just like going downhill. There. Pretty cool. Pretty. Okay, so here's the sliding barn door we built. It's a utility room, and it used to have a wooden door that swung in, and so you lost all the space over here. But we added this sliding barn door. I'm still painting it. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. We built the door out of a sheet of plywood and some boards. Yep. Nice little barn door. Turned out pretty good. Thanks for joining us on this journey to enhance our home with a sliding barn door for our utility room. We hope you found some good inspiration and maybe a helpful tip or two along the way. The hardware itself came from Amazon and was pretty darn cheap. You don't really need any special tools. A saw and a drill are pretty much basically all that's required. You could use an old door if you didn't want to build one like we did. We're so very happy with how the product turned out. The looks and how it slides effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe for more crazy adventures and who knows, even some more home improvement content. Until next time, happy DIYing. Thanks for watching.